Hello everyone, how's it going? So in the last video we checked out print. In this video we are going to talk about comments. Comments in programming are like notes. So basically your compiler, or in the case of Python your interpreter, will ignore whatever comments you put in your code. The way to write a comment in Python is using the hash or the pound symbol. So basically once I type in a hash, everything on that line from the hash onwards is ignored by Python. So I can just do a hash and type in some gibberish here. And if I run the code from the previous lesson, you'll see that nothing really happens for this line. We don't really see anything. Now I can also take this and put this after code. So when I do this, basically Python reads the line up to here, and since it encounters a pound symbol, it ignores everything from here on out. So if I run this, you see once again we don't really get anything afterwards. Awesome. So what I'll do is I'll just copy this over. Let's clean the file up a bit. So I'll just do this. Okay. And I'll get rid of these as well. Okay. So let's comment out this line and see if Python does anything for us. Just to see something, let's put one before it as well. So essentially we should see two print statements, but if I run this, we get only one. Once again, that's because Python's going to ignore this line since we have commented it out. If I did this, yeah, we just get one, because once again this part's not commented out, so it's going to execute, but since this part is commented out, it's going to be ignored. Now this is called a single line comment. Basically if I wanted to create another comment on this line, I have to type in the pound symbol again or the hash symbol again. If I want to create a multi-line comment, I can use 3 quotation marks, so like that, and then end it with another 3 quotation marks. And this is basically a multi-line comment. You can also do this with double quotes, it doesn't really matter. Just be consistent throughout your program. So just like before, in here, let's take this and put this in here, let's say 3 times. And we just get it for the first one here, because these other ones are commented out. Cool. So that's comments. Now comments are really useful for commenting out code like we have done here. So by commenting out code, you can test different parts of your program, but they are also very useful for making notes in your code. So in the last video, we talked about the things I covered at the end of the video. So let's try and write those out as code, as comments in this file. So I'll just do a pound and let's say print used to show or used to display to the user, and end parameter used to tell Python how to end the print statement, and so on. So you can use comments to make notes in your program. Normally we don't really do this. Normally we use it to tell or to explain our code that might not be clear. But you as a beginner can use it to make notes in your code like this to get started. Awesome. So that's comments. Once again, to recap, comments are notes in your program. Python does not execute comments, and you can write comments in Python using the hash or the pound symbol for a single line comment, or 3 quotes for a multi-line comment. Happy coding!